So I'm with Warren here, who used to work for Don Yenko and build these Yenko Stingers at Indy. What does this feel like to you to see all of these cars that you worked on here at Indy?
Well, we've been to gatherings of the Yenko cars and Corvairs in general, and this much surpasses anything of the past. Really great times and great people, you know, as far as competitors over the years. The best Corvair history you'll ever find is right here in front of you.
So Tony, as a Chevrolet guy, this has got to be pretty cool for you.
Well, first of all, anytime I tell people we're having an all Corvair race, they start laughing because who can visualize 19 or 20 Corvairs running all at the same time after Mr. Nader made so famous unsafe at any speed. These cars are just cool. We've had them at Virginia, we've had them in Ohio, and now to have them here at Indy in a special show. And the Forgeline team and the Sharp family, this is really in their honor. It's awesome. It's really awesome. And we even have an authentic Yenko here to wave the green flag, I believe. So this is a pretty cool weekend.
Yeah. Now, Levesque, you've grown up in a crazy Corvair family. And how does this feel now to be at Indy from Anderson, Indiana, now here at Indy with your Corvair?
It is a bucket list deal. You know, I've said this before. I've been to every genre of racing at this track, and to be here, and be in here on the fan walk, and to be on the podium, and get a bottle of milk. I mean, it's just amazing. And I run my dad's old car, so being on Father's Day is pretty sweet.
All right, we are ready for some of those most famous words in motorsports. I'm here to introduce Jim Sharp and his family. Jim, I hand it to you.
On behalf of the Forgeline family,
third as the last step on the podium. But that too is up for discussion between he and Michael Levine at 362.
My car took it tough in that first corner, but I don't even want to look at it yet.
Yeah, don't look at it yet. So, where did you get him back?
I believe it was at the end of the Holman Straight. I just tucked in real tight, shoved it in first gear, kind of slid it sideways in front of him, and my dad always said, it doesn't matter how slow you are as long as you're in front.
That's awesome.
So, it was everything I had.
Man, when he took that shortcut,
Yeah.
I thought he was going to take you on the shortcut, and he never put a rule to that. I thought we might be in trouble there.
I know.
At least he stayed behind you. But he was, I mean, basically, he was already behind you when he came up with the same gap. He had more speed. So nice job.
Thank you.
That was awesome. Hey, Logan! What a race, man. It was on a great show. Thank you very much.
It was a great race. The start was a little spicy, but we had a great time. Really appreciate Jim and Tony and everybody working together to put this together, and had a lot of fun. And our little drum brake Corvair held up, and we were able to compete with some faster cars. So Michael and I were going back and forth, and I saw him in the mirror, and he had a run on me coming down the back straightaway, and I thought I could move down and try to block him. I said, I'll brake a little early, see if he'll overshoot, and he didn't make a mistake. He was able to hold it down, and I couldn't get back by him. And but it was a good end of the weekend. So car ran flawless all weekend, and we finally got the 89 car going, so I was happy about that. So
11 cars looks like they finished under their own power. That's pretty good.
That's amazing for a field of Corvairs.
Yeah.
Nobody blew up or caught on fire, or only a couple oil leaks. So thanks.
I'll film it, but yeah, you go ahead. Excuse me, guys. Levine, that was cool.
That was fun. That was fun. I
You were in the most fun group.
Yeah, the front running group. That was good. Yeah, nice job. Proved the early model can do something.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep, that was great.
Hey guys, nice job. Look at this, 11 cars made it back under their own power.
Without dropping any oil.
That's pretty good. I think we had the last lap, the 2-2 car blew something and was dropping a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty good.
Okay.
And Formula V's are coming out next, and they're going to drop everything.
There you go. Hey, I got my first 360 in.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
A little stunt driving?
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
Well, just so everybody got by me, it was great.
You got to change your shorts?
I need new tires, I guess.
What's it going to take to get Corvairs out and all race together again? And he goes, you do have to beat other cars, but it all adds up. We had 3 independent judges yesterday.